Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I won't waste any second because I just know that your time is valuable. So what you need to do is just you need to please go to settings here. Then here we have apps and sales channels. Click on that. And then here I have all the apps I installed. But if you want, of course, to apps that you want to install, these are the apps installed. I can remove from here. But if I want to install more apps, I'm going to click on here. And here you can install a bunch of apps. Let's say point of sale. You can install this one, just click on it and select install. Then the other one is so many others like Facebook and Instagram. This one, Facebook and Instagram, and it's right here. Click on install. So that's yeah, that's where you have to go. If you have more questions, please let me know in the comment section and I'll give you an answer. So please let me know if you have more questions. Leave your questions down below. Subscribe for more and like this video if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.